this video, we're going to cover how to create a lake, which is a naturally occurring feature. The thing to keep in mind about digitizing naturally occurring features is that they tend to not have sharp angular changes in direction, which is what you get by default when you digitize polygons in ArcGIS Pro. Here we have our lake. Our lake's feature is already created, and then we're going to start clicking around the edge of the lake. Again, you can pan and zoom while you are creating features. I'm speeding things up so you don't have to watch this entire tedious process. Recall that if you press C, it'll allow you to pan the map, and then if you get into a place where snapping becomes an issue, you can toggle it off temporarily by holding down the space bar. And you can see here how when we go from one vertex to another, we have a straight line change in direction. From the Edit tab of the ribbon, we'll use the drop down and select Generalize. And Generalize changes these angular changes in direction to spline. What you need to do is select Smooth because Simplify is the method that's selected by default. And then you see the value Maximum Allowable Offset. This controls the amount of curvature that occurs when you run the tool. Right now you can see it's at 0 feet, and you can see what it looks like with the preview if we toggle it on and off, what the line looks like. Now you can change this, and the higher the number, the greater the curvature between points. And you're going to need to look at your entire feature, because if you have two vertices that are fairly far apart, the amount of curvature can end up being excessive and not really follow the edge of the water body. For a small water body, you generally are going to keep the offset around 0 or 1 or maybe 2. I've changed the color here for the outline so you can clearly see the lake, but it is now a nice smooth-edged physical feature.